It's 1:40 p.m. Thursday, February 17th, 2022 at the Metra Hinsdale, Illinois station. This is eastbound Metra train 1260 heading from Aurora to Chicago Union Station. A new snowfall has just commenced. Estimating 4 to 6 inches. Bye-bye eastbound 1260. We got a westbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway freight coming by. So westbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway manifest. And another eastbound manifest went through at about 1:30. Bye-bye westbound BNSF manifest. And it's 1:42 p.m. Metra Hinsdale, Illinois station, Thursday, February 17th, 2022, looking west down the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway 3-track main line, over and out.